Welcome friends. Today's topic is precautions to retard decaying action of weathering agencies on stones. So let's get started. Here is the question. What are the precautions to be taken to retard the decaying action of the weathering agencies on the stones? So this is the answer. The precautions to be taken to retard the decaying action of the weathering agencies on the stones are as follows. First, compact siliceous stones. Second, external rendering. Third is joints. Fourth, natural beds. Fifth, quality of stones. Sixth, seasoned stones. Seventh, size of stones. And number 8, washing with water. So let's elaborate all the points one by one. First, compact siliceous stones. In it, these stones have a dense crystalline texture. Thus, it is essential to use these stones only for the external surfaces of important buildings. In industrial towns, the use of limestones or calcareous stones with open texture should be avoided for external surfaces, whereas the use of sandstones cemented with siliceous binding material should be made for external surfaces. Next point, number 2, external rendering. For ordinary buildings during construction, the external renderings such as plastering and pointing should be given to the stone surface. Number 3, joints. In stone masonry, all joints should be completely filled in so as to have a sound and solid structures without hollows and cavities. Number 4, natural beds. Stones should be placed in position on their natural beds. Number 5, quality of stones. The use of finished, well dressed, and polished stones should be preferred to the rough stones. Number 6, seasoned stones. The freshly quarried stones have quarry sap which accelerates the decaying action, and thus such stones should be seasoned for a sufficient time of exposing them before they are placed in position. Number 7, size of stones. It is advisable to use bigger size stones as much as possible to reduce the number of joints, which are the symbols of weakness and through which moisture or water gets easy entry. Number 8, washing with water. The exposed surface of a stone should be washed with water at regular intervals and kept clean as much as possible. So, dear friends, this is all about precautions to retard decaying action of weathering agencies on stones. Write your opinion in the comment section about this video. If you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming construction materials and building materials related videos. You can also check the playlist of construction materials and building related materials videos in my channel on different topics. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.